If you've forgotten your password for Funding Circle or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Funding Circle login page. Go to the official Funding Circle website and navigate to the login page where you typically enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Clicking this will direct you to the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from Funding Circle. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Open the email and follow the provided link or instructions to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Funding Circle account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.